Miurianka Nasuna kachio Uye bribia Eyareniye Moriasi
Ye ubekuwa enwa na ubecha
Eyareniye
Obinu ya kwadun kocha bodie
Eyareniye
Obrabani se wobro penti
Eyareniye
Misihwe onafu femu ye wati
Eyareniye
Uya bwani ya edi weni munti
Eyareniye
Uya papa nsu asa
Eyareniye
Abraba wewe ya mama minua
Eyareniye
Shienya sa owiase mu
Eyareniye Moriasi mu
And I made me so, and I would say the OT. It is so ye be down the agreement to home. Because some officers said me, and they better come in here. A dear the minier, man ye nephew. Me, who can be? I never yet. What about Bessia? She came in here, yes, somebody sit down. Would you see about some baby and sa? Oh, ye me, would you numb to 7 now? Was in back. Would be the baby and the back of you. A better may a yamau. I don't know, yet a prophet, you be so when you know, won't care about the son of a call. Who shouldn't have shout, elbow with toto. I don't know, I can't tell me, say, me from my call. The member was to die over noon. Fighting, the woman said, maybe I'll guess it now, dear. You said now, dear. You want me what the dark of somebody? May I, yeah, join up a portrait. So what said that? What if I want to have Me be found now for catching me. So we are a kingdom. It's a bishop. I'm part of this government. Would I see blocks the good? Would you see that you have some watching any more appreciate a true a day? A true says a bar. The Pacasipia, the Pacific, Betty, or Jackie, Mamma, Pacasipia, and no buy Gracia, the TT. A little more for Doma Sassy. It's the Mamma Castle, more for Pampai, no Dimitri. What's to say? Miss from that year, more for Pampai, no Dimitri. I come also about me see, more for Doma Sassy. Just a minute, when I every day, I will grow away. What the way? Yet the dog, and somewhere yet the dog. Say, I catch me. Say, now catch me. That's a problem for me. I catch me. Where yet the dog? Say, Mamma, who I yet said what he said. I'm here to get myself. Would I be to me? Can't know. And yet, yes, I'm clear now. What's so what I know? Me no will be in the neck anyway in the chin. Let's all say, baby, I would not know it's not right. My family white. Me free has way. A two better fear. The Mamako drop, no, they are broke. Why a tower be me better Sumpo. Me better Yafa. Me better Yafa. I'm a war where you were for. Could see me say. One can say, ye, me know what you grana. Would drop Brahma, Luciano. Me who found Grana and Mafam City. Oh, which I say. Me see me no talk. Me better family white. I didn't like to myself a catch lemon. Ah, I didn't get animal when some mamma catch lemon. Ah, the son of my ministry. I'm a swan so back at choice of making in your body belly. If you are no crowd with your befiano, chemi, let me more be. If you are no crowd, see what your befiano, Mrs. Chemi, Mammy, I'm not in the. My mom, what you say. I be a girl or the gentleman. I am people, men of my mouth said your tea. Sir, sir, decision, Jimmy. Ma'am, so some, my judge, and you're fine. Jimmy, Ray, Patrick, how was that? No, you mean a fool. You will mean a fool. They know that you want me to know. Get them no better. What's the crocus you win in your human desire? Wait to me, Mobra. Charlie, where you the Mobra? Wait, oh, what's up? You're the Mobra. And then there was somewhere here. That is you. What did you tell me? You're able to say, I walk a can. I'm a travel. I come to. Or being a baby, I walk a say and I say. No, God, you jump at the out of the puppy. Oh, my papa, I need this. She say about my papa for say, I day. What will say? What will say? So when you are no home, make change when you show us to see what you I was a PM. Gratis. We are here. Men Panato Tom and Pananoa. And you are being home. So what did I make a job? That's my problem. Yes, I never hear you. And you know how the other is in the mouth. Ah, go for what you better me as a way. She was on the baby house. Maybe you never know how you people know them. Your mamma can it. I didn't see a papa. You're not one man. I could be a woman who is so woman. And let me get the Pamano and Snammy. I cheer in what? All the same. Cabin just use a quack Jessie. Jessie! A frau. Mila Brahma Menonias and Kaby. Akosia. A given bonny potty, and the idea one, the fellow who won't send me any pardon. Huh? Then you're into my front. To no consultant. Your baby, Diamond. This year we need to say we be at secondary school. And say a travel to my university. Yeah. Akosia, the okay in a minute. That yeah, day of Sami. Who I have to be a woman, see a person because of manager.
Hey, that's just when you want to solve a man at school.
Oh, so come here, the person. The same Sabrian woman to see a didn't couple. It is a baby, yeah. What do you feel? A feeble, a beer, a frasen, when you're actually.
Remember me, Papa and Snaho. Nanya Mitchla, you did not go school. But we saw a person, you may be now pro. Said you why you want to this one. A proper and me who say what him. What was our bambana pro? And the gun I away. One or say no more tunnel. What names are Duma Brabo and Obiabo? And member wash your woman, I say, I want to Mundiana. Oh, when you want Chamo, I want to Sawa, and she nearly Ashayama. Who would you get on travel?
I could say I would trade now, we'll be natural. Now, what you say, if you say, get an amateur, come wouldn't met you. My now soon would. It is a dynamic which I saw the update to me. No such one making yourself. What?
To chew near me, I can hear some watching a woman who probably to 2 years for a someone I'm now. Now that you be Babu Crescent, your one boys away. Can you say, we shall walk piano when you're piano with jumping out this one? And let your facade mass. What? And your what? Me Babandi, oh, mints now, and the one yet a sabro no. Meko mebusi on wako pebesia. Se menye yukura toku pia mefebia. Menye bisia woman. Or what bisia kura meko wako shishe. Na mama me baba na ku school.
Salo akano amati. Kepia me babo fran mo bia me so. Oya minti metia.
Check your watch there. Check your watch there. Wo be simi swanka, wa sha me ma. Wo be simi swanka, wa sha me ma. Me nkwa na kebia bebe bia wo be chia. Ye yada.
Akota. When you make a sacrifice, I be told. When you say Namity, on can name me, and then I mean, Jimmy.
And the one Jina Shakai, and I ben say a mount, a Pascal mount, and the one there.
Daddy, Mommy is packing her things. She's packing her things. She said she's going to the city.
Oh, but that man, I said, Pierre, I make a job. I was sworn to the Manoko, no, but let me hear.
So, are you going to allow her to go just like that?
Naming day for Brian, you want to be there. Mamma, million day, Macasano, a year in Anajo. What's all the garment to me? Manoko.
Mas, you're really going.
Mints now, and my mebano and the Namasao. Me walk pebble said not to school. What's it? No, why you bra? Why you bra to a car? It is one. Me, my mebano, yes, sir.
The poor man that's all back out with you. Let us watch our dancer with that one. Hey, I was see, I would throw. Now, one once now. What I would try, and then you come out from Matty.
Yes, I'll be and yet let. Shine one for to walk, no one could tell you to. One working, yellow crew. What is that? That's how we are, Ramadan. What's it? To make them walk or walk for. I want to see a crowd of Baku Shama. Now we have to school, so I take them crown. Go back to school. Anita, have you thought about what I told you yesterday? Stella, but you know I have a husband. Husband, my foot. You call a man that cannot provide for you a husband, huh? Anita, what sort of husband is he? See, these big men in town, they just use you and dump you. They are all a set of unserious people. I don't want to be deceived. Alhaji is not like that. All he wants is somebody to keep him company. That's all. And he will provide everything you want. I mean, everything. I still feel it's wrong. Anita, don't let your feelings deceive you. This is an opportunity to put your life back together. Or have you forgotten about your daughter's education and your own survival? This is a chance of a lifetime, so grab it. You need to open your eyes wide. This is Accra. And every day a fool comes to the city. So make it a point to catch them as soon as they land.
That I want to give you a surprise. See this little apartment? I rented this little apartment just for you.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you, Alhaji. Thank you so much.
At least for 1 year, you can do whatever you want to do with it. As our relationship progresses, I know what to do next for you.
Thank you, Alhaji. I'm shocked. Alhaji, thank you so much.
It's so beautiful, I think.
So much, Alhaji. I'm so much appreciative, Alhaji. Thank you so much, Alhaji.
I know. And as you can see, I have actually bought the latest electronic gadgets so that you can use them. And from today onwards, everything in here is your property.
Mine?
Yeah. Yeah, you see.
Alhaji, how can I thank you?
I know. You see, you deserve more than this. Actually, you deserve a mansion. Okay? I don't know, but I'll do more than this as our relationship progresses. Okay?
Thank you so
I'll do more. I'll do more. Come.
Wow, Madam Inspector. This place is just marvelous. No, I'm surprised. Hey. See how your life has changed from grass to grace overnight. Stella. And how do I even say thank you? Oh, drop that. How do I thank you? Drop that. This is life. Yes. Honestly, this is life. Yeah. And I'm going to enjoy every bit of it. So you, sweetheart. But sweetie, let me advise you. There is more you can achieve from this relationship. I know Alhaji. I know him very well. All you have to do is to treat him as you would have treated your husband. That's it. To treat Alhaji like I would have treated my husband. You leave that old thing at the village alone. To be honest, sister, I'm going to do everything possible. I mean, everything possible to be his bride. Because what Saul couldn't do for years, David has done it within some few seconds. I like the spirit. That is it. Simple. Me unim ofam. Me tarnis ofam. Why me why? I'm glad you've caught up so soon. I mean, just look at all these things. You just look away and come and but there's one thing I don't like about this place. What is it?
Hey, mommy. Mommy, whose car is this?
Media. So soon? Hey!
Because that's it.
Many would dear man ye. I didn't know you come with Shessy.
And I'm glad you're man.
Hey, how about this? Hey, share the tenor say, a radiatum. What I ain't to me, the call, some make a pair, be big a cran and black to school, DBI, it's ancient.
So when am I going to the city?
Very soon. To Bobo, free neck, Bobo Bibiano, when you're my Fibia singing. Who many more Puana?
Who the fell bed in Uncle City? Let us submit ye. What Jamie and I say, our that now.
I could cry wine after. I could cry wine neck a sound.
Abba, mommy, is Papa going with us?
Yes, I think we are going together.
You think why so? Now, we me do the match when you think so. One I shall happen.
I got baby yo. If you are seeing my one, and yes, and saying that, and the easy coming the Patterson. Now we have to be at you.
And that's the American trust say, Sika and a gift. So when you want, when this car was in shop, there's a massive shop. It's where you baby are. And the Macross here. Sweetheart, Jim. What's wrong?
And I'm in a papa bed.
Hey!
Oh. Hey! What else if Papa?
So wouldn't no woman in this car will be into Brobegun. So what did I make a journal? Shall I first year? When you bring my brother, me young, so I will share with him for that.
What's the Papa?
Oh, mommy.
Now, you're going to put it and once I go to
so not a year, your friend is saying. Itakuma, on your who could one answer, no, Sudidi.
I put the friend to Where would I share some canteen when I said, yes, I could, and this was what went to the how, yeah, the one. Madam, pen could be a madias, yes, I would say, then we say. I didn't know who a good room say. When so close to an answer, I am not trouble. I didn't say the crowd. Diamond, never be found. Now, walk to school. So what's it? Sweet! I'll see you. Okay, mommy. Okay? Oh, I love you. Bye.
Alhaji, I can explain.
Anita, is that what you've been doing behind me?
No, never.
But what's going on here? Alhaji, what are you doing here? Pepper! Is that what you're asking me? Didn't she tell you I rented this apartment for her? Didn't she tell you the money that I spent on her?
I can explain. It's not as you think. He came and...
You say you can't talk? You say you can't talk? You see that you can't talk? I am disappointed in you. Very, very disappointed in you. Anita! For all the money that I spent on you, giving you an apartment, look at all that I've done for you. So this is what you do behind me. You are a prostitute. You are a whore. You do things that I don't know. But you will pay for it. You disappoint me. Hi. I see.
What? You see what? Where are you going?
Thank you.
Nana.
It's okay. Let me alone. It's okay.
Don't do this to me. I mean, you two can't walk out on me like that.
And I'm for me and Wafa wamwe Asiani se mankancha use kunumieno Edi tuo Wagwani mwasi Afena usuna tane wajenji.
You really disappointed me. How could you, my friend? Anita, don't you know Alhaji and Nana are friends? Don't you know? I know. Stella, I know. But Nana won't let it be. I know. This is shameful. Very disgracing, my friend. I mean, how could you sleep with two friends at the same time? Anita, how could you? You must understand me too. I was pushed. Besides, I thought Alhaji was out of the country. Not knowing it was a setup. It wasn't a setup. The meeting was postponed. Even if he had traveled, he didn't have to go ahead and sleep with his best friend. I don't... Confused. I don't know what to do. I'm even trying to reach him, but his phone is switched off. I know Alhaji. He's a very emotional person and I believe he's hurt. So he'll do anything to avoid you. Better find him and apologize. Because you know without Alhaji you're nobody. What do I say? What do I say? Just make up a good lie. I mean, anything to cool him down. And do it fast before it's too late. Yeah, day. Remember, where you going? Someone said, when some way, when you need. Now, you know, when you're going to say, when some nana, yes, and I'm what beautiful.
Do you like it? Wow.
Hey, yeah, this is
like paradise.
really. Oh, God.
Mom, you look disturbed. What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm just feeling tired. That's all. In fact, finding a school for you wasn't as easy as I thought.
So, am I going to start?
You just arrived. Oh, relax. Relax yourself a bit. We have more time to talk about your school and other things as well. Just relax.
Mommy. What about Dad? Are we going to leave him all by himself in the village?
Oh, I can see you didn't come here to learn. Eh? But rather to put your nose into things that are irrelevant, right? As far as I am concerned, listen, your father is history, and I am not ready to learn history now. Can keep your feelings to yourself. Excuse me. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, you no need to have a pension. No need to have a pension. And to look with the piano. Next year, when you be a nana. Sorry, father. Hey, come on. Come your things and let me go and show you to your room. Come on. Come on. Don't stop asking me questions about your father. Straight, go. Go straight, that's your room. Put your things there.
And I'm for me and wafa wami asiani se man kantra use kunumie no edituo wagwani muase afena usu na tane wadwendwene ani arewo usi apini efri suba moniti na wa mane.
But you should have told me that you were moving with my friend. You should have told me.
I'm sorry.
Indeed, you should feel sorry for yourself. As you can see, I cannot move with a woman with multiple lovers like you. Alhaji is my friend and a very good business partner as well. I cannot look at you to stand between the two of us. No, I cannot do that.
I can assure you, from this very moment, I will have nothing to do with Alhaji.
That is your problem. As I have said every now and then, I am no more interested in this relationship, period.
No, you can't say that. Just give me a second chance.
I said there are a lot of men out there. You can go out there and then pick amongst them.
No, it's you that I want.
Me? Nonsense. You thought you could make the two of us at the same time. You see, woman, I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. Fine.
Yakana wentia. Wokwantia di sese dia waji weniso. Mafuadu wada pati. Wani maguasi. Awo wafu omobiemu wa omu ubiem. Anamsuba waniti. Wajama mwe. Anewari wadiama wen maguasi pa. Nasiani say. Kewusube na fatal Kewusube Mabra money dia misia na fatal Kewusube na fuachi na fumoni adembe kwa kusio na fatal Kewusube
I can't sleep. I can't do anything.
How can you sleep?
Oh, I can't eat. I mean, oh God. Just, I've tried all I can to apologize to them, but none of them is willing to accept me back. I don't know.
You know something? I will advise you lay low for some time. I know them. I know them. I know one of them will definitely come back. But please pray hard.
If you say so.
Okay. They are all hurt. Pray hard, please.
But I'm praying that Alhaji changes his mind and then comes back. Sweet, I can't afford to lose that man.
So you knew you cannot do without Alhaji. See what you did. But pray.
Oh God. Sorry. Na ye day. Me huni yanka. Na pa ho. When some crow jeje me pa di Alhaji. You know dey. Omo free me fear na so omo free here.
When something anyone
Stop.
which one will use to
over pass some food. We don't about that. Oh, it's Jamaican brother here.
Afena usuna tane wa twenjene ani arewo usi apini every suba money tina wa na mane na uye deni.
According to this sheet, I need some money to buy some leaflets and some other things.
Diamond, I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm disturbed. I don't have money at all. I told you to wait. I'll lay my hands on something, but you wouldn't listen. I don't have money.
Mommy, this is not fair. Does that mean I'm not going to start school today?
What will happen if you don't go to school today? There are more days ahead.
No, but I want to start today.
Don't disturb me because I don't have money. I don't want to be disturbed at all. You wait, I'll see what I can do. I told you I have to go around and lay my hands on something. Don't come and disturb me. Don't come and disturb me at all.
It's not fair. You're not being fair to me. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Castle Tim wanted to.
Diamond, I've been meaning to tell you this. Do you know you're a very, very beautiful lady?
I know. Everybody keeps telling me that.
Wow. Okay, so I'm not the first. Can you find a place in your heart for me?
Meaning?
Come on. You're grown up, you know what I'm talking about. I love you. And I want to marry you.
That can't be possible, Brother Larry.
Why not? Why not? Come on, I'll take good care of you. Very good care of you. I'll help you with your education. You know, just think about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure to even prove my point. Yep. I want you to have this. I'm proving my point.
Oh no, I can't.
No, come on. Take it. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. Okay. We shared it 50-50.
Thank you.
So you go in there, change. I want to take you out.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Alright. Try not to be too long.
What was this money?
Brother Larry gave it to me.
For what?
He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond, Have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people, eh? Brother Larry gave this to you and you were so happy over it? For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men. They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot, followed by lifting and then lanchy. You were happy over it. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry up. Hey, where is he? Larry! You're good. Where is he? Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
But mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? What do you know about marriage? What will be that? What will be that? On what day was your baby crying? Sisi o chrobi mama chesa day. Baby try again no match yourself. Oh baba waro. You fool. Crazy. Let me see you with my daughter again. You see what I'll do to you. Wolf no. Why just say those sisi scano? What teams are what baba say? And all the baby no match now. Idiots.
Wajama mwe ane wari wadiama wen magwasipa na siani sen Kewusubeye na fatao
Kewusubeye
wabrapa no brabo ni dia mesia
na fatao Kewusubeye
na fuachi na fumoni adubekwa kusio
na fatao
Kewusubeye
na fatao
What is good about the evening? Look at your time. What says the time now? What do you want from me, woman? Haven't I warned you never to come after me anymore? And that the relationship between us is over?
No, I think we can sort this out once and for all.
Oh, I don't understand you. Now tell me, what do you want me to do for you?
You know how things are bad for me now. You are the only person that caters for me in my life.
Me, the only person? What about my friend, Alhaji? Isn't he the one who hired the flat for you? Isn't he the one? Tell me.
Mom, let's not start this thing again, please. I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I mean, can't you forgive and forget?
A mistake indeed. Listen and listen good. I am sick and tired about you following me all around. Get it into your head. It is over between us. Period.
You know I can't stay away from you.
I see.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes I just can't think about what you think about me. What do you take me for? Thank you. Never come near me again.
And I'm for me and one.
Yes, I have to.
Asiani seman kantra usekunumieno. Editwo. Wagwani muase. Afena usuna tane wadwendwene. Ani arewo. Usi apini. Every suba moniti na wuna mane. Na uye deni. Kewusubeye. Na fatao
Kewusubeye na fatao
wajama mwe wasipa na siani sen ya usubeye na fatao
ya usubeye
wabrapa nobra ni dia mesia
na fatao ya usubeye
na fuachi
Anita wani mu nyame fe ade asembi hawa
cheme pa yama ko ye brao me nye school kwaya ma no makofa na fi kurase aba sika wai Alhaji ni na na so eje ba ni say ma na chewa ba obi enfi me
ai tu pesa o ka chem Alhaji na no mu bie no ba ba
it's been drunk draw I'm back it's been drunk draw come and catch you I'm not watching you
hey you don't watch
say can we cry me the best source and grab a penny kakra ma me shire me akasa oh now so much me wow
since having ya better
2 million I'm thinking of kakra a police school graduate e ya me kese
ya shi nyame o so we do online
manage this for the start, and by the end of the month, I'll sort you out with the rest, okay?
Oh, Mommy, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I just want you to learn. Just learn for me.
Mommy, I promise I'll do just that.
Okay. Do you have something at the kitchen? I'm really famished.
I brought some yam with the stew we left yesterday.
Oh, thank God. Let me get in there myself. I'm really famished.
Mommy.
Yes.
The landlord was here this afternoon and he said I should tell you that you're trying his patience and when your cup has overflown, you will make sure you leave this house.
I will leave this house. It's my team. Not to know shaming, you will leave this house. About tomorrow. Have you eaten already?
In fact, I've waited too long. 6 months isn't a small time for you to pay my rent. Madam, 6 months. 6 months? Ade! Huh? And in fact, I want my money.
You give me a few months. I'll settle everything.
What for? 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. Ade! If you have put block boss. Huh? What we start coming to me say I thought I said that. I'm giving you an ultimatum for 3 days. Oh. You are bringing my or you are leaving this house.
3 days.
I bet 3 days or you are leaving this house.
Please. Oh.
Let me tell you this. It's because of this girl that I'm being lenient here. You understand? In fact, the very next time I come to this. Alright.
No, you know what? If you
how dare you more? How dare you more? You give your little daughter to me. A responsible man like I am. You shouldn't have a married man. And I know you are irresponsible. If that has even angered me more, I'm giving you 3 days to bring me my money. Or I'll vacate you from this room. I bet I'll vacate you from this room. Your last warning. Your last warning.
na mi asa me kwasa mado pa na me samba say wiase we bi Landlord or Caslans. Grammarian landlord. Means let me fear you da. Hey.
Miurianka, Nasuna Kachio. We are prepare. Ayarenie, Morias.
Ubekwa and one now becha.
Ayarenie.
Obinia Quadrum Quacha Bordia.
Ayarenie.
Obrabani se obra penti.
Ayarenie.
We see here now for family ye wati.
Ayarenie.
We are Bonia Edi Weni Munti.
Ayarenie.
We are Papa Suasa.
Ayarenie.
Abrabawa ya mama mimi.
I've been to your office several times, but I'm not permitted to enter. And when I call to, you don't pick it. I just had a tip-off that you were here. That's why I followed you here.
You had a tip-off that I was here. That's why you followed me here. Anita, I thought you could move on with your life without me. Huh? Why the bother?
Alhaji, I know how difficult it is to forgive a woman you love. I mean, to see her in bed with another man. I know how difficult it is to forgive, but please, forgive me.
Oh, not just another man. Not just another man. That man was my personal friend, and apart from that, my business client. You should have known. Why? What do you want me to do now?
See, the time for the house you rented for me has expired, and the landlord too is on my neck. I have nothing, virtually nothing on me, so I'm just pleading with you so that you pay for me.
You sound very funny. Very, very funny. You should have known before going to sleep with a man. Anyway, I don't have money. These days, business is so bad, I don't have money to be throwing away like I used to do. Not even a dime. Anita, not even a dime. Okay?
Oh, Alhaji, see, please, even if you don't love me anymore, please, you pay this one for me. Just for the last time. Please.
Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha. You're wasting your time. I don't have anything for you. And let me tell you, I have some important things to do. Okay? So just leave me in peace.
Alhaji.
Ubekwa and one now becha.
Ayarenie.
Obinia Quadrum Quacha Bordia.
Ayarenie.
Obrabani se obra penti.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh. In fact, seeing you, I'm lost for words, you know. I'm completely lost for words, honestly. Seeing you has made me lose a heartbeat. What's your name?
Diamond.
Diamond? Oh, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Your name is equally beautiful. Look at you, warm hair, big brown eyes, tender toes. You know what? You're very, very beautiful.
Wow, you're making me blush.
Yeah. You are like an angel never seen before. Huh? So what do you do?
I'm a student.
Student? I see. And is that all?
Yeah.
Oh. In fact, I wish I could get closer to you, get to know you more, and probably get together with you. Anyway, if you want to know, my name is Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. And my friends call me Alhaji Jegede the Big Fish. I have money. I'm a businessman and I'm a statesman.
Wow.
Yes, so I can do anything and everything for you. Yeah, I can. Diamond, the way I see you, the way you are, I wish I can marry you. I wish I can have you for a wife.
I'm just a student. And besides, my mother would never ever agree for you to marry me.
Your mother? Why? Is your mother a difficult person?
My mom is such a difficult woman.
I just told you I am Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. People call me the Big Fish. Me, when the coins are falling, the dollars are flying. Look, you know what? I want to see your mother. I want to see your mother today so that I can talk to her. You are so beautiful. I don't want to lose sight of you.
No, my mom is difficult. Stop it.
Please, let me meet your mother.
Right,
I know it's true.
No, my mom is such a difficult woman. Please understand.
I want to talk with her. I can handle it. Let's go and see your mom, please. Do this for me. Do it for Alhaji, okay? Whoa.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Let me get my mom. Make yourself so comfortable, okay?
Alright.
Alright, I'll be right back. Mommy! Ah!
You go inside. I'll talk to you later. Go inside. Diamond, get inside.
I'll be back, okay?
All right.
Be comfortable. I love it.
I'm surprised at you. How can you do a thing like this? Knowing very well we are lovers.
Point of correction. Point of correction. We were lovers. We are no more lovers. Okay? Besides, I'm so much in love with your daughter. Pretty girl.
You are sick. You are sick. I guess you are not here to insult me. Are you? I mean, this girl is only a small child. This is an abomination. It's an abomination to sleep with mother and daughter.
Says who? Says who? Look at who is talking. Look at you. You were sleeping with my friend when we were lovers. Huh? And so, what is wrong with me sleeping with a mother and daughter? What is wrong with that? Tell me. Tell me.
Alhaji, leave my house. Alhaji, leave.
Anita, you're forgetting something, huh? You're forgetting something? That I rented this apartment for you. I bought this TV. I bought it for you. This house, I rented it for you. Anyway, I'll give you only one condition. That you will allow me to have your daughter as my wife. And then I can reconsider my decision to support both of you. Okay? Think about it, my dear. Think.
Keep your filthy money. Just leave. Just leave.
Money does it all. Money does it all.
Alhaji, leave.
All right. Tell your daughter I'll see you around. Tell her and think about what I just said.
Jesus Christ. He'll be back. You know what, Diamond? I want you to forget about that man for now, right?
Why?
Diamond, you won't understand. In fact, he had wanted to marry you, but I thought he was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him. Okay? Sweetheart, I'm not tired. Just forget about him for now, right? Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age, right? So that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
Okay, Mommy. If that's what you want me to do,
That's my girl.
I'll forget about him.
Thank you so much. Come on. That's so good. Thank you very much. Good. Now get inside. And what were you?
Oh, baby. Oh, come on, Diamond. What is eating you up? Tell me. Sweetheart.
Alhaji, please. I can't accept your proposal.
Diamond. Me, Alhaji. Why? Tell me why.
I need to concentrate on my education.
But, Diamond, I promised to take care of you and your education. So, why are you worried? What problem?
Look, I'm not worried about my education. All I'm saying is that I have to concentrate. Besides, if anybody has to worry about my education, that must be my mother, not you.
That points to your mother. Your mother has been telling you things, hasn't she? This is your mother.
But she's my mother. She's my mother and I can't go against her will. I love her so much. Besides, you're an old man. You're too old for my liking. You're an Alhaji. You probably have 8, 10, 12 wives. Please, leave.
Diamond! How can you say things like this to me? You are Alhaji, me Alhaji.
Alhaji, so what? Alhaji, please leave my house.
Hey! Diamond, you know I love you. I will lie.
I said leave my house. Leave it.
Diamond, I love you now.
You love who?
Please, you give me some few months, please. At least for the sake of my daughter.
I'm not taking that from you.
Please.
I said I'm not taking this from you no more. Listen, unless you pay all the rent, I'm not letting you back into this house. You understand?
You give me some time. I have nowhere to go.
There is a go there. There is no space for you to sleep. Look at this splendor. And you're telling me I had to let you in. Alright. You just leave me alone.
Please, you give me some few days. I'll raise something up. Oh, please. Don't do this.
Madam.
Okay, bye. My gadgets are in.
Hey, you're not taking anything unless my 6 months rent is here. You take that. Oh, alright.
Oh, in fact, please.
Madam.
So, do you really mean that? So,
I see you.
Oh, is that how you are? Swam. What's so penny now? What's your grass one? So, what's wrong with you? What would you say? I go that way. And my man kind of crazy. Go away. Me bought us to grab me and say, on in a bay. I see the say, huh? What's your office? Why? Yes, massa. No one knew so about that. Say, children will be piano. I said the Yelena, shed your mother yay. And Jojo Miss like it to me. Huh? We nip the pepper money. What's sick was young penny on Peduma? What compens now for not yesterday? What was some idea? What way did I ask him? Huh? This is a yako. I didn't see a defa. Hey, Jesus. Yeah, me say, if you're a crackers, lances, and come on, it's any. Here like that, and we can't go back to the village too. But the situation now depends on you alone, solely on you. Do you remember that Alhaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
He has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Father, are you selling me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous. I'm disappointed, please.
Okay. Then be on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. But then we can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he's our only hope.
Back to school.
Come on, princess. That's not it. I have real love for you. And that's for real. I love you. Come on. I'll never let you go. I'm holding on tight into your love, okay? So don't cry.
never wanted to be deflowered. Till I get married.
Look, Diamond, my princess, I want you to consider tonight your wedding night, because I will still marry you, and that's a promise. I'm holding on tight to your love, honestly. Baby, don't cry, okay? Don't cry, okay? Don't cry.
I have to go now.
Oh, why so soon?
I have to go back to school.
Anyway, I'll tell you something. Anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me, because I'm there to do everything for you anytime. Okay? In the meantime, I'm going to give you 1 million cash. Okay? And then I'll write out a check for 40 million cedis. All for you. So you can use it for yourself.
Thanks a lot.
Ready? Oh, Jesus. We can see. Oh! Where from this?
This is 40 million cedis. And that's an extra 1 million he gave to me.
Oh! I told you. Oh, God. See, I told you. I told you this man. He's good. Eh?
He said I shouldn't hesitate to ask for money or anything I need.
Oh, Rade. Yeah. Let me sit down for me now. I say. Ah. You know what? Don't worry. Let's go and look for this landlord. Then we know what to do. Tomorrow I'll cash this one for you, okay? That was let's go. If you're no crowd. So you was seeing and no. Say, you were here. What's slangy? Quite some out of bar. If you're a slangy credit, it means a rabbit train if you credit. Hey, let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
Fatao na uya dai na fatao na fatao.
What you are doing is evil and wickedness. Total evil and wickedness. How can you sleep with a mother and then turn round and sleep with a daughter too?
Look at you. Don't I have the right to love the one that I want? Huh? Don't I have the right? Initially I loved you. You were the one that I loved and I took you in. Sincerely, I wanted you to be with me alone. But you fought it. You fought it and you betrayed my love by sleeping with my friend. What do you want me to do? Now that I found Diamond and I found my new love in Diamond, you are saying what? I love your daughter.
I can see you've lost respect. You don't respect yourself. That's what I can see. Diamond is my biological daughter. And do you know what it means?
Oh, I know.
What you are doing?
I know.
Oh, you know what it means?
I know what it means.
Okay.
But you see, Anita, it's a little bit too late. Because you see, I've slept with her. I've done it.
What?
Oh yes, I've done it. Oh.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. I understand.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
But
thank you.
Alhaji,
Yeah.
if you're looking for true love, you can find it in me. Alhaji, I love you.
Oh, you sound so sweet, darling.
So forget about it.
Oh, you sound so sweet. And this is Anita of old. Anita of old. But you see, you are now old. You are an old woman. Old lady. Your daughter is young. She's fresh blood. And you see, she knows how to touch. She's got that touch. That touch. I said now you are too old. And when she touches you, you know. But right now, you have even, your body has bojo. You know, that bojo. So, tall.
Alhaji, you've lost your senses. I can see you've lost your senses. Come on, get out of this house. Get out of my house. And don't let me see you with my daughter again.
Okay.
Right?
But I'll be with your daughter. And she's the one I love. And I'll always be with her. Because I love her and she'll be my wife. My wife.
Inshallah, your daughter will be my wife.
Idiot.
We shall see. Don't get irritated. Because I always be with her.
Nonsense. You mean me and not give me your 40 engine dada. Overhaul the ground we are being na me be chiaka. Can you now go down da me roll me no. No we say me your 40. Na me be chiaka. Wa pepe mu apa. What?
Okoto NWO ANOMA susuma ubumfube. Mi unyanka nesuna kachio. Uye pribia eyareniye oriasi.
Ye ubeku enwa na ubecha.
Eyareniye.
Obi nua kwadu nkocha bodie.
Time on. Yes, mommy. All that glitters is not gold. Diamond, you are a beautiful girl. A very pretty girl. And one day, I know you will meet a gentleman of age, ask your hand in marriage, whereby you two will live happily thereafter. Right?
I don't understand. Why are you saying all of this?
Because I want you to keep away from that man, Alhaji. He's not good for a girl like you.
You know, sometimes you confuse me. 1 minute Alhaji is a good man, another minute he's not good for me. Why must I forget about him when it was you who wanted me to love him in the first place?
Diamond, I don't want to answer your question, right? I am your mother, and I know what is good for you. Just take my advice and keep away from that man, Alhaji. He's a good-for-nothing man. Okay? And let me warn you, if I see you with that man, Alhaji, it's going to be rough between the two of us. Keep away from him. I just want you to keep away from him. Period. That's all.
Please go forward, okay? Please don't stop here.
Why? Why my son go forward? I mean, this is your house. Why should I stop some blocks away?
I know. I'm only trying to save us from the embarrassment. You know my mother. You know how much she despises you. I hate it when she talks to you that way. That's why I want you to park there, okay? Just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right. I'll do what pleases you, my dear.
Long today?
I went to see a friend at the hospital.
Yes. Have you heard or seen Alhaji?
Not at all.
That's good. Stay away from him, okay? He's nothing but a community virus. Stay away from him.
I hear you, Mom.
Okay. Where are you going again?
I'm going to school. We have a school project and I have to be in school right now, so I'll see you.
Don't stay long, right?
I will.
And take care of yourself.
I will. Love you.
I love you too.
that I used to be a married man. But since my divorce, on the grounds of adultery, that's on the part of my wife, I've lived as a single man ever since, you see. But I have one confession to make. And that is, you are the one who stole my lonely heart.
You know, you're such a kind man, and I just don't understand. Why does my mom hate you so much?
Yeah, that's the point, you see. I would have loved sleeping dogs to lie. But, Diamond, since you brought it up, I just have to tell you. Now, I have to tell you the truth, now or never. You see? I think your mother loves me.
Alhaji, how can you say such a thing like that? What makes you think my mom likes you while she knows you're dating me?
Exactly. That's the point. You see, you can't be too sure. Some mothers can betray and even destroy their own daughters. And your mother could be one. I'm telling you. Well, I hope if I should tell you this, you won't get angry. It wouldn't get to you. Your mother told me right in my face that she loves me and that I should stop going out with you because you're a student, you're a young girl, and that I should stop going out with you. The relationship should stop so that we can move together. And I can move in with her so that we can live as man and wife. But you know what? I put my foot down. I said never, never. I will never stop with you. Impossible. I refused, my dear. I refused totally.